Okay, so moving into part A here, what are we asked to do? So part A is very simply insert a print statement at the start of your program to say work from home payment calculator. And your program should look like figure 3. So welcome to the work from home payment calculator, and I'm just going to insert that right at the start of my program. So print, and I think it is welcome, single or double quotes, whatever one you choose to use there. Welcome to the work from home payment calculator. We'll just have a double check there. Is that exactly what it is? And welcome to the work from home payment calculator. And that looks pretty good. Always have a quick test of your program here. Run it. And then we're getting this down here at the bottom, which you can't see. So I'm going to stop it, clear my shell. Control L to clear your shell. Run it again. Welcome to the work from home payment calculator. There's John. We should get our normal 420, and that's part A.